Your next summer SOS question, here it is. Of course, when I'm going on my beach vacation, I will be PMSing and then get my period. Bloating the works, help me. Have you met Bye Bye Bloat yet? We have an entire Bye Bye Bloat depuff and sculpt routine. So we created the depuff and sculpt routine to solve those exact issues. Everybody deals with bloating, water weight when it comes to that time of the month. We have our classic debloating capsule, and then we have our new body care products. This is the Bye Bye Bloat Firming Clay Body Mask. This is our Bye Bye Bloat Detoxifying Body Oil. And this is our award-winning, yes, I said award-winning, lymphatic massage roller. This baby just won a Harper's Bazaar Best of Body Care Award. You can get all 4 products, the entire bundle, for under $100, which comes down to less than $3 per massage. I hope the Bye Bye Bloat Depuff and Sculpt bundle works for you. Keep me posted.